Welcome to our tutorial on how to clean your dishwasher. Your dishwasher is an essential appliance in your kitchen, and it's important to keep it clean and well maintained in order to get the best performance out of it. Over time, dishwashers can accumulate dirt and hard water stains, which can affect their cleaning power and efficiency. So, how do you clean a dishwasher? It's actually quite simple and only requires a few household items. You'll need white vinegar, baking soda, and a lemon. First, start by removing any large debris or food particles from the dishwasher's filters and drain. If your dishwasher has a filter, make sure to clean it according to the manufacturer's instructions. Also, don't forget to like our video. Next, fill a dishwasher-safe cup with white vinegar and place it on the top rack of the dishwasher. Run the dishwasher on a hot cycle to allow the vinegar to loosen any dirt or grime inside the dishwasher. And keep watching because the next step is really important. Once the cycle is complete, sprinkle a cup of baking soda over the bottom of the dishwasher. This will help to absorb any odors and leave the dishwasher smelling fresh. Finally, cut a lemon in half and place the halves in the dishwasher. Run the dishwasher on a short, hot water cycle to finish off the cleaning process and leave a fresh citrus scent. And that's it! Your dishwasher should now be clean and ready to use. Make sure to repeat this cleaning process every few months to keep your dishwasher in top condition. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give it a like. Thanks for watching!